In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an important email in Outlook, ensuring it's always right at your fingertips whenever you need it. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your emails more efficiently, enabling you to focus on what truly matters. First, let's begin by navigating over to Microsoft Outlook. You can access it through your web browser or your desktop app, depending on your preference. Once you've pulled it up on your screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already acquainted with it. Having a good grasp of your workspace is always a wise idea, as it makes navigating much smoother and easier. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the Outlook interface. You'll find the sign in button there, ready to welcome you. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're directed to the sign in screen, enter your email address and password. Make sure to double check your credentials to avoid any sign in errors, which can be a minor hurdle, but easily fixed with a bit of caution during the process. Once you're successfully signed into your Outlook account, the next step is to head over to your Sent Items folder. Again, you'll find this option in your navigation pane on the left hand side of your screen. The Sent Items folder is where you'll find all the emails you've dispatched from your account. Clicking here is crucial, as this is where you'll start the journey of pinning that important email. With your sent items open, the subsequent step is to identify the specific email you wish to pin. Once located, look towards the top of this email. You'll see a small pin icon. It's a standard feature in Outlook, practically designed for moments like this. Click on this pin and voila, you've given it a spot of prominence in your email flow, making it easier to locate for future reference. However, we're not quite finished. For enhanced organization, you might want to move your pinned email to a specific folder. To do this, simply right-click on the pinned email. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Hover over the Move option with your cursor. From the choices available, select Move to a different folder. Finally, in the list of folders that appears, look for one labelled Important or any folder that suits your filing system. Click on your chosen folder. This final action will relocate your pinned email to a place where it can be easily located and accessed whenever needed. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned an important email in Outlook, optimizing your email management and ensuring those critical communications are never lost in a sea of messages. Keep practicing this method and soon it will become second nature, making your digital correspondence more efficient and stress-free.